A lot of times when people face financial challenges, they get depressed, and trust me, it is not a place anybody wants to be. But the challenge is that being depressed will not solve the problem. The question is, what is going to solve the problem? So on today's video, I want to share with you what I titled How to Quickly Start Generating Money When You Are Broke. Coming up. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin from the Money Code Academy, and on today's video I want to talk about something that is so dear to my heart, something I really want to get out there. You know, the condition in our world today has become so terrible to the point that getting a job now has become very, very difficult, and this has made a lot of people to enter into serious financial issues and not being able to meet up with their bills and their expenses. It is plunging a lot of people into depression and sadness. But I came here with a good news today to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Now, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe if you haven't done so. On this channel, I talk about financial freedom, personal finance, business, online business, and everything in between. So just click on that red button there and click also on the notification bell so that next time I post a new video, you'll be the first to receive this video. Now, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to drop a comment. It will go a very long way to help someone out there to get the video. Now, back to the topic, how to quickly start generating money. Now, when I use the word how to quickly start generating money, it does not mean it's going to happen overnight. There are some work you need to put in here. But the first thing I just want to say is, do not be overwhelmed by your situation, because being overwhelmed by your situation, it will not help anything. It will only make you sad, it will only make you lonely, and it could destroy your mental health. So in a bid to avoid that, refuse to be overwhelmed by the challenges that you are facing. Now, the next thing you need to do is have a plan. Now, what should be your plan? Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? This is recommending other people's products or services to people who need these products and services. And when they buy through your recommendation, you will have a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. I believe that at one time or the other, you may have used some certain products like cream, like cream or a phone or something, and you loved it so much, or you may have eaten somewhere in a restaurant and you love their food so much to the point that you recommended someone to go and eat there as well, or to buy the same product that you bought the last time. Now, when you did that, the only difference is that you just did that, and when they bought from those people, you had no commission. And that's what I want to talk to you about in this video. One of the simplest way for you to start earning in a matter of 1 month or even less or more, it is for you to start marketing other people's products. See, refuse to sit back and do nothing. That is where the problem is. A lot of people, they just spend all their time looking for a job, wanting to get a job, and when nobody is willing to accept them, things go sour for them. It shouldn't be that way. Stop waiting for anybody to employ you. If you don't get a job, hear me, employ yourself. How? Through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is something that almost every company, they are getting into now. I'm telling you, if you go to Amazon, you will see, just check the buttons very well down there, you will see affiliate marketing. Almost every company that are into selling of service or selling a product, they are all into affiliate marketing. Go on their website and check very well. You will see it on their website, and in most cases they require you to register with them. When they register with them, you become a bona fide affiliate marketer to that very company. And when that has taken place, they now have your name as one of their affiliate marketers, and then they will also send you their terms and their conditions. So in that terms and conditions, you are able to know how many percentage you are going to be getting as commission when you recommend someone to them. You see that now? So for some company, they give 50%, for some they give 10%, for some they give 30%, 20%, depending. Your responsibility now is to take out time to research products. Which product would you love to sell? Which service would you love to sell? What would you want to recommend for others? Now remember, when you're doing this, you should have at least used that product, or you should have at least used the services, if for any reason, at least for the sake of the marketing. Why? Because when you have used the product or when you have used the services, it will help you a great deal to be able to market that product or service properly. For some people, it's flight ticket. For some people, now it depends on what you know that people really want in your sphere of contact, in your world. Okay, so when you are able to figure this out and it's there, it's not like it's one big thing. In most cases, you could also walk up to certain companies and tell them, I want to be your marketer. They don't have to keep you in their payroll. Your contract with them will be, whenever I bring a customer for you or a client for you, when the person purchases from you, then just give him a commission. There are many companies today that are willing to give you audience. Dress up properly. Don't dress up like a man who is hopeless, who is confused. No, dress up properly and start going to meet companies. In most cases, you can even do this online. You don't even have to leave your house. Go online, get your computer, get an internet connection, and begin to contact companies. So the challenge is that many people don't know what to do. They are paralyzed. It shouldn't be that way. If you want to start generating money as quickly as possible, then you need to consider going this route. You get the point now? There are many companies that are looking for marketers. There are many companies that will be willing. They will be willing. Oh, see, you don't understand what I'm trying to communicate here. They'll be willing to have you as one of their marketers. Yeah, that's the truth. Stop going to companies and telling them you want them to employ you. Go there and tell them that you are an independent marketer. And this is what you can do for them, and broker a deal with them. When you have done that, they will let you know the terms and conditions. And you now, what you should do, if, for example, you want to start marketing a particular cream, or you want to start bringing certain people to a certain restaurant, what you should do is know the products that are available, know the various things that are there, and then go and learn a little bit about marketing. There are lots and lots and lots of information on YouTube today that will teach you most of the things you need to know about marketing and the various channels of marketing that are there. There's digital marketing, there's traditional marketing. Learn those things. Now, when you're done learning those things, then you get a flyer or you create a landing page. That landing page will funnel people back to the main page. For example, you are marketing a product on Amazon, maybe you're marketing a particular cream on Amazon. You get your own landing page, and then that landing page, the link, that is what you begin to circulate through your different marketing channels. When somebody clicks on it, they put in their names and their email address, and then it funnels them back to the main Amazon page with your link embedded to it. So when they purchase, automatically you get your own commission. There are people who have taken this to another level now. They have their own mini website with like 10 or 15 products. Each time you click on those products and you purchase those products, indirectly you have purchased from Amazon itself. And when you have purchased from Amazon, then you get your own commission. That is how it goes. That is how it works. You get a point now? So don't sit down. Now that you are hearing this, come up with a strategy. Come up with a plan. The challenge is that many people don't want to go through this. They just want somebody that will employ them, and then they begin to go to work, and every month they know that they are sure to have a salary. But if you are not getting someone who is going to do that for you in today's world, don't sit down. Do something for yourself. Go out there. Go online. There are lots and lots of companies that are doing this. Go online, look for 2 or 3 products that you are going to be marketing. Master these products. Have your channels of marketing and begin to send these products out there. As you are doing this, I am telling you, one day your efforts will pay off. As a matter of fact, you have even done this before and you just do not get any commission from it. As long as you have recommended any product, anything for anybody, and they bought it and they used it and they liked it, you have done affiliate marketing. The only difference is that you did not receive a commission. That's the truth. You get the point now? So this is something that you need to do. But I must say this, while this is happening, you have to learn your trade well. Understand the product, the in and out of the product, so that you'll be able to answer people. Now you can decide to go through the traditional route where you'll be going out every day to meet people, to distribute flyers, create awareness, which is also very good. You can decide to be doing this every day in the evening time. You just step out and start meeting people, giving them the flyers. You can decide to go the traditional route, or you can decide to go through the digital route. Digital route is where you have to sit online and you begin to market these things via the various marketing channels, Facebook, Google, Snapchat, TikTok, and all that. But that one, you have to learn all the nitty-gritties of digital marketing. If you can do this, I'm telling you, in a short while you'll begin to earn. But I must say this, you have to be patient. You have to be patient to learn. You have to be patient to master it. It's not going to just happen overnight. There are skills to these things which you need to master. And some of these skills will even come to you through your mistakes. Okay? So when you do this and you are diligent enough, I'm telling you, you can begin to rake in money the next day you start, depending on the product you have decided to sell. Remember, when you are choosing a product to sell, there are some skills that you must adhere to. So I will do that video in the next recording. So I want to encourage you, don't sit down there, do something about your life. You can actually start generating money within a short possible time. You just need to make up your mind to do the needful, put in the work, adjust your mindset. Because a lot of times the problem also is our mindset. There are people who have made up their mind and say, I just want a job. And as long as it is not a job, they are not willing to put in effort in any other area. It shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be that way. To work on this, it will go a very long way to help you. Is that okay? All right, so that'll be all for this video. If you've enjoyed it, if it resonated with you, drop me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and families. Let me know what you think also in the comment box. I would love to interact with you. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. If you are subscribed, make sure you check and be sure that you are still subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Keep cracking the money code.